record your screen and yourself at the same time. So I did some research the other day on how to do this, and there's a bunch of software online that will help you do this, but a lot of it requires you to pay either monthly or to export each video or something like that. So this is a completely free way to accomplish this goal. I am using QuickTime Player to record myself and my screen at the same time on Mac. I think QuickTime just comes with Macs. And so open QuickTime Player, and if you're on a PC, you can go onto your search engine and do download QuickTime Player and find, a link there where you can download QuickTime Player. And then the way to get your screen recorded with yourself at the same time is you open QuickTime and you go up here and you go new movie recording. So I already have a movie recording open and it's recording, so that's what you see down in the bottom corner, that's my face. So once you have your movie recording working and recording, then go to new screen recording and start recording your screen on top of the movie recording. And then you end up recording yourself and your screen at the same time for free. And it's really not that difficult. It's pretty easy to accomplish. So I hope this was helpful. See you later.